Hello, it's your girl Jazmin Dennise here, back with another video. And if you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video because it's a pretty short video. This is a wash day, and as you can see, this is the ponytail I have worn for a few days based on that video I recorded showing the absolute struggle. It's a quick flashback. Right there it goes. So yeah, anyways, back to the video. So I'm taking water to break up the ponytail I had because I did use Got to Be spray. And once I do that, I'm going to split them into 4 sections so I can go in with my washing. So I am using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture collection. They're in like this teal and purple bottles. I'm going to show you on the screen in just a second. But yeah, I just make sure I go through each part and make sure it's 4 sections. It does not have to be even. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, I take the shampoo and I literally put that directly on my scalp, and I'm going to do a little scratching, not hard scratching, and massage it in to make sure I lift anything off my scalp, any dirt, any dead skin, anything. And then I'm going to take the shampoo and rub it down to my ends because I do want to get the Got to Be spray out of my hair to make sure it is fully out. So when I wash it, it will completely come out. Okay, so now I'm going in with my broken brush. Yes, the handle is gone, but it still works as a brush, so why throw it away? And I like the way it goes through my hair. It literally pulls little to no hair, depending on how badly tangled my hair is, which is rare it tangles. But yeah, I'm going ahead and do that. Make sure I do that to all 4 sections. And once I am done, I'm going to take the 4 sections out to rinse the shampoo out all together, because it's a struggle trying to rinse them out section by section. Don't do that. It's hard as hell. All right, so yeah, as you can see here, I have rinsed it all out, and I'm going to put a towel around me so the water is not dripping all over my shirt and down my back. But yeah, I'm going back in with 4 sections, going in with the conditioner. It is a rinse out or a leave-in, but I choose to use it as a leave-in. I'm making sure I'm getting to the scalp roots to the ends. And then once I feel like the whole section is nicely covered with this conditioner, I'm going ahead and make a plait. So it would be 4 total, and I could go sit under the dryer. Yeah, usually I finger detangle when I do conditioning, but this time I decided to use the brush because my hair did start to tangle a little bit after I rinsed the shampoo out, which it kind of does that sometimes, but usually I can finger detangle, but this time it wasn't trying to detangle with my fingers, but it's cool. But like I said, I'm going in with my plait. It ain't got to be perfect. The sections don't have to be even or anything, but as long as it's a plait, it's a plait. Okay, so yeah, I'm going in with a Kroger bag because, yes, I don't have a shower cap because I'm not about to buy one when I got bags at the house. Why would I do that? But anyways, I'm going to tie that on my head so I could go sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes with the conditioner in. And by then, my hair will be like damp. And then I come back and finish the process of washing my hair. All right, so I'm back from the dryer. It's been 15 minutes. So at this point, my hair is pretty much damp, not fully wet or dry. So I'm going to take each section and put in the Sealing Cream by The Collection. I really like it because it wasn't too heavy on my hair, and I made sure I got it from my scalp to my roots to my ends in each section, made even smaller sections in the section to make sure it was covered. And I'm gonna keep it in 4 sections because I end up spraying the restorative spray from The Collection as well before I end up blow drying. And then I went in with this mousse that I already had. It wasn't really meant for like curling mousse, even though it says you can, but I didn't like the way it felt on my hair when I was trying to curl it, but it is what it is. But also here's a clip of how much hair I lost total. But yeah, so I went and did finger coils, and this is how it came out. I like it a lot, love this collection. But if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time.